Do you use quantifiers correctly? Test your knowledge. There are 10 questions in this quiz and 12 seconds to choose the correct answer. If you need more time for thinking, feel free to pause the video. We have so many options to choose from. I didn't see any friends in the theater. This company has plenty of satisfied customers. Can I ask you a few questions? Usually, I have some cereal for breakfast. I have too much work to do. She needs a little time to take a decision. He drank a lot of coffee yesterday. I have to spend less money on this. There were fewer sportsmen at the school last year. You've got it! Keep it up! Subscribe and enjoy your English learning.